Good day to all the students. In this class, we see the 12th standard 5th volumetric analysis estimation of oxalic acid. Important point for this volumetric analysis. This volumetric analysis is exam point of view very easy because of we need not to memorize this principal part. That is, for exam point of view, this part, this principal part, no need to memorize. Secondly, the procedure theory part, procedure titration 1, for exam no need to memorize. Likely the titration to third part also no need to memorize. Simply the strikeout double crossed parts are no need to memorize. Now in first point, read the question where aim is the question. Second step, tick the three solutions: unknown solution, standard and linked solution. Now read the question. After reading the question, you tick the three solutions. To is standard HCl. Second, third solution is linked solution, sodium hydroxide. Using that three solution, we can write the short procedure. Basic point for the acid base titration: we fill the base solution in this case sodium hydroxide, always that is base solution in Whippet. For base solution sodium hydroxide in this case in Whippet for acid base titration. That is a basic point for acid base titration. Base is always taken in Whippet. Second point for the acid base titration: acid solution is always taken in burette. Therefore, now using that points, we fill the short procedure burette and Whippet. First, In this question, main point is show only the one base, that is link sodium hydroxide is the base solution. Therefore, that base solution is taken in titration 1 and titration 2 in Bippert solution of 20 ml. Remaining two solutions in which the HCl, that is a standard HCl, hydrochloric acid, this is acid, therefore that hydrochloric acid is taken in titration 1 burette part. Remaining only one solution, the unknown oxalic acid, taken in burette of titration 2. Next, that is you just read the question and then fill the base in 20 ml of Bippert. Remaining two acids, the standard acid is taken in a titration 1 burette, unknown oxalic acid in second titration burette. Now temperature always in lab temperature. Indicator is sodium hydroxide. If you use the sodium hydroxide, we use the phenomenon as a indicator. End point is disappearance of pink color. This point number 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 are same for the titration 1 and titration 2. Therefore, easily we once you simply study one side and then write on another side. Therefore, it is become easy. The equivalent weight of a oxalic acid is 63. First, using the question, we write down the sort procedure. Using the question, we write down the sort procedure. Then, using this sort procedure, we can write the titration 1 tabular column. Titration 1, serial number, volume of the NaOH. The NaOH is all in this titration 1 Bippert solution 20 ml. Therefore, you need not memorize this part. Simply in sort procedure, Bippert solution of 20 ml. Burette reading in all the cases, initial volume is 0. Final volume is 18 ml, which is using that sort procedure already done in this part in our YouTube channel. The volume is 18 ml. In this case, the burette solution is right in the concordant value part. That is final value and these two are same. In this case, burette solution is HCl. Therefore, the HCl volume is 18 ml. This 2 is written using this 2, that is a Bippert solution and burette solution. Therefore, no need to memorize. Now, using the table column, we make the calculation. Volume of the NaOH V1, that is 20 ml, which is available on the table column. Normality of NaOH link solution we determine, therefore put question mark. Volume of the standard HCl solution which is in the table column, that is V2. Normality of standard HCl N2 0.1010 N, which is in the question paper. You understand that just you copy from the question paper. Now substitute these values, that is first we need to calculate the normality of NaOH. Therefore normality of NaOH N1. The substitute the V2 N2 value. V2 value is 18, N2 value is 0.1010 N. Multiply these two, we get this value and put the N1 value 20 ml. After this calculation, we get the normality of NaOH link solution is 0.0909 N. Second titration calculation part. This is written from the short procedure, that is Burette and Bippert solutions. Using the short procedure we can write. In this case, second titration, the Bippert solution is 20 ml. Therefore we can write initial volume is a 0, final volume, that is 21.0 ml. During the titration we get this value. This oxalic acid is taken in a burette, therefore written in the table column. Calculation part, the volume of the unknown oxalic acid solution. Volume of the unknown oxalic acid solution is 21, which is using the table column. Volume of the oxalic acid solution is 21 ml. The normality of unknown oxalic acid solution is question mark, we can calculate. Next, volume of the NaOH 20 ml given in the table column. Normality of sodium hydroxide, which is we calculated in the titration 1 calculation part. Now using that formula, we substitute the V2 value and the N2 value. V2 is 20 ml and the N2 is 0.0909 N. And substitute the V1 value, that is 21 ml. After that calculation, we get the normality of unknown oxalic acid solution 0.0866 N. Next, weight calculation. The amount of oxalic acid dissolved in 1 liter solution. This is a formula, normality into equivalent weight. But in the question asked is They estimate the amount of oxalic acid dissolved in 1250 ml of the unknown solution. Therefore, we write down from the question. We no need to memorize this part. The amount of oxalic acid dissolved in 1250 ml of the dilute solution. Normality, which is calculated from the titration 2. Therefore, substitute equivalent weight of the oxalic acid. Major point is equivalent weight of oxalic acid. You take care at this point. This is 1250 ml is given in the question paper, 1000 ml from the formula. Therefore, substitute these all values. We get the value of, that is the amount of oxalic acid dissolved in 1250 ml of the solution is 6.82 gram. Once again I repeat, revise simple points. First, read the question paper. After reading, using that question paper, we write down the sort procedure. Using the sort procedure, we make the tabular column 1 and 2. After that part, we do the weight calculation part. That's all. This is a very simple. Thank you very much.